The Sivash, Sivash, also known as the Putrid Sea or Rotten Sea, is a large system of shallow lagoons on the west coast of the Sea of Azov, separated from the sea by the narrow Arabat Spit. The water of the Sivash covers an area of around 2,560 square kilometers, and the entire area spreads over about 10,000 square kilometers. Its eastern connection to the Sea of Azov is called the Henichesk Strait, lying on the northeastern coast of the Crimean Peninsula. Control of the area is disputed between Ukraine and Russia. Overview: the Sivash nearly cuts the Crimean Peninsula off from the mainland, serving as a natural border for its autonomous republic. The long and narrow Arabat Spit runs to its east, separating it from the Sea of Azov. The two bodies are connected in the north at the Henichesk Strait beside the port of Henichesk. To its west, the Isthmus of Perekop separates it from the Black Sea and connects Crimea to Ukraine. The Sivash is extremely shallow. The deepest place is about 3 meters, with most areas between 1/2 and 1 meter deep. The bottom is covered with silt up to 5 meters thick. Being very shallow, the waters in the Sivash heat up in the summer and produce a putrid smell. The wide area for evaporation also leaves the water extremely salty. The amount of various salts is estimated at 200 million metric tons. Several plants harvest the mineral resources of Sivash. The Sivash area is a wetland of international importance. The shores are low, slightly sloping, swampy and salty. In summer, the water level of Sivash decreases significantly, revealing barren solonate soils called Sivashes by locals. The Sivash is sometimes divided into the Western Sivash and Eastern Sivash. These are connected to each other by the Chonga Strait. History: during the Russian Civil War, the Sivash became famous for a surprise crossing by the Red Army during the Perekop-Chonga operation. Flora: the Sivash may appear red in color due to the salt-tolerant microalgae Dunaliella salina. The eastern parts of the Sivash contain less salt and are home to reeds and other wetland vegetation. The large islands in the central Sivash are mainly covered with steppes consisting of feathergrass, tulips, tauric wormwood, sage, crested wheatgrass, fescue. The shores of the Sivash contains a large number of salt-tolerant vegetation, including glasswort, tripolium, plantains, sea lavender, saltbush, gallery,